Hello friends, so this is the boxing of the LED bulb which I ordered from Amazon, which cost me around 80 rupees from the Indiabulls. So let's just open the seal and take it off. And when you order anything from the online, please make sure that you sanitize it first before opening or entering the product box in your home for the safety of you and your loved ones. And I am thinking to make a video of the solution about the oxygen, the issue which our country is facing about oxygen. I am thinking to make the video about that. So your box is open, so let's take it. It is the bill. Let's just throw this box. That was the bill. Here is the main product. You can see Indiabulls night mode aluminum bulb. Let's just take it out from this wrapping. More wrapping. Three-star rating. Here you can see the item. It comes with B2 socket. It is eco-friendly, not dimmable, instant glow. Sorry for these noises. Just this is the power, the night wall. The price quoted here is 175 Indian rupees, but I got this from Amazon for just 80 rupees. So just open it and put it on the socket. It is just a bulb, nothing else inside it. As here you can see from the Indiabulls and the information. Let's just put it in the socket and glow it up. So as we see, the glow from the bulb is pretty good. So let's just turn off the light. Now turn it on. Now let me turn on another light also. So yeah, it is giving good light. Thank you for watching. And this bulb cost me around just 80 rupees on Amazon. This is from Indiabulls. Like, subscribe, share. If I get 10 likes on this video, then I will make the video about the problem our country is facing about the oxygen. So please give me 10 likes so that I can make a video on that.